Hey everyone, Norm again from Eurostar Windows. Wanted to show you guys a Eurostar vinyl casement window. This particular one has been painted on the interior in black, but normally it comes as a white window, and then we can paint it any color that you desire. The way the window works is very simple. We have a screen on the inside. The screen is easily removed by just pushing down on the bottom. The upper part comes out. The screen is a fiberglass screen. It's maintenance free. You just basically wipe it down with a microfiber cloth. The window operates very simply. It's got a multi-point locking system, and what that means basically, you don't have to, regular casements have regular locks that you have to lift up to unlock. This one, with one single operation, you can lock and unlock the window up to 5 positions depending on the height of the window. So now that it's unlocked, all the internal locking points are open. We open up our crank mechanism and open up the window by turning the mechanism. The window opens to a 90-degree angle, leaving you ample amount of room to clean it from the inside. You can reach both sides of the glass to wash it. The window comes with 2 compression rubber gaskets in the frame and another gasket on the actual sash itself. So there's 3 seals that run all the way around. The multi-point locking system, you can actually see here. They go up and down. That's how they work. They catch on the sash and the sash closes like so. The advantage to the PVC casement windows is everything is welded. There's no screws or glue holding it together. So basically the bottom rail and the upper rail, the left and the right side of the frame, are welded together. It's fusion welded, and the window has thermal pockets in it, which doesn't allow the heat or cold to enter the home. The product is maintenance free, so there's no need to repaint it. There's no need to maintain it. It's maintenance free. That's a Eurostar casement window.